Are you concerned with the potential of slamming your license plate into the rocks, or is it in the way and distracting from your beautiful new bumper? Are you ready to make a change and reposition the whole mess up out of the way? Of course you are. Enough is enough. And it's time for your JL Wrangler's rear license plate to join with your impressive spare tire and wheel and take its place of honor, nestled safely within your spare tire. Yes, boys and girls, the all-new TeraFlex JL license plate relocation kit is available and ready for consumption. Well, maybe you shouldn't eat it. I mean, after all, the camera light housing is made of some pretty tough molded plastic. However, the license plate mounting bracket is made of some tasty-looking corrosion-protected aluminum.
TeraFlex and its affiliates are in no way insinuating, encouraging, or promoting the ingestion or consumption of any part of said license plate mount assembly or its included hardware.
That would be wrong. You know, it's almost a crime to cover that formed corrosion-resistant aluminum mount with a license plate. But then that big boy vanity plate will look pretty awesome all centered up and strategically displayed. Oh look, it has a light. Finally, a sanitary solution that is not only designed for the TeraFlex hinge carrier and tire mount, but it's also compatible with the factory spare tire mount and actually most aftermarket tire carriers as well. That license plate costs you plenty. Protect and display it with pride. Thanks, TeraFlex.